Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today we've got a nightstand that we're going to redo and, well, put up for sale. So follow along on this nice, easy project. Alright, in a recent video, we took the dresser that matched this, that was all busted up, and turned it into a wine cabinet, which left us with this nightstand. Now, this is a great project to get started with, to learn how to paint, maybe even start your business with selling. So, we picked this piece up with the dresser, basically for nothing, and we're going to make just a small amount of money off of a nightstand, but it's a great place to start. The reason is, small piece, nice easy lines, and, well, if you make a mistake on it, it's cheap just to kind of put aside or make your money at least back on it. So we've already sanded this piece down. We're going to pull the drawers out. We're going to paint it black. Eggshell is the coating of it. So Eggshell, full black, put out by Behr Prime and Paint. Got two handles, two drawers, and the frame that we're going to paint. The big thing I want you to focus on or remember is, especially when you're selling this, is that you're doing the inside of your legs and the bottom of the piece. The reason that is well, you're finishing off the piece off, but also when you're selling it and they put it in the back of their car, they get to see a finished line, finished legs, all that, and well, that just assures them that they bought a nice quality piece from you. So let's get 2 layers of paint on it, and then we can go from there. Alright, we have this piece, 2 coats of black on it. Now what we're going to do is sand it down. On this piece I'm just going to do an edge scuff. You don't have to do this if you want. You can actually skip this step, put the hardware on, and finalize the piece. But, well, with Vintage Statements, we're going to add a little scuff to it. So let's begin. Alright, we took a nightstand and, well, we painted it, we sanded it down, we painted it, scuffed it up a little bit, and it brings it back to life. So, nice, easy, cheap project to get you started. You need a paintbrush, some paint, and some sandpaper just to give it a little scuff. And, well, from there, you can create a brand new piece out of it. Nice refurbished piece. If you like this and many of our other projects, subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook and Instagram, leave us a comment or two, and, well, maybe give yourself a try at a nightstand.